Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Apple. The report was first published on our website Wednesday, August 24, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Apple? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 27, 2022, our system ranks the Apple stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 0.789. In this period the stock has had a gain of 6.85%. This is an average return of 0.33% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Apple, our last headline reads, Apple stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold/accumulate after Wednesday trading session. The Apple stock price gained 0.18% on the last trading day, Wednesday, August 24, 2022, rising from $167.23 to $167.53. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 1.12% from a day low at $166.25 to a day high of $168.11. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -1.01% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by -229,000 shares and in total, 54 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.02 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $182.94, and the lowest price was $129.04. Right now the price is 8.42%, or $15.41, below 52-week high and 26.61%, or $60.73, below all-time high August 30, 2018 where the price hit $228.26. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 25.05% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 17.19% and 32.43%. The 12-month trend indicates a 0.56% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -21.81% and 9.65%. This equals a price between $130.99 and $183.70 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Apple stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Apple stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Apple. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Apple stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $170.80. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $159.92. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 17, 2022, and so far it has fallen -4.02%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 38 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 35 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 22 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 19 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Apple. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $148.71 and $141.66. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Apple finds support just below today's level at $148.71. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $141.66 and $131.56. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $1.87 between high and low, or 1.12%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.29%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Apple. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Apple currently has a price-earning ratio of 27.74. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Apple meets first resistance at $169.24. If you do not hold Apple shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Apple finds first level of support at $148.71, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Apple is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On August 17, 2022, Mr. Luca made an inside sell of 30,345 of common stock. On August 17, 2022, Mr. Luca made an inside sell of 66,390 of common stock. On August 8, 2022, O'Brien DRDRE made an inside sell of 31,896 of restricted stock unit. On August 8, 2022, O'Brien DRDRE made an inside sell of 15,366 of common stock. On August 5, 2022, O'Brien DRDRE made an inside sell of 16,530 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -37.089. In total, the insiders bought 737,303 and sold 1,639,599 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $159.78, minus 4.63%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 5 days ago. Is Apple stock a buy? Apple holds several negative signals, and this should be a sell candidate, but due to the general chance for a turnaround situation, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 25th, we expect Apple to open down -24 cents and start trading at $167.30. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.